How much should you actually spend on solar floodlights? Because people love the cheap options, but often regret the pricey ones. It's a bit interesting, right? Today, we're digging into 5 of the best options that actually deliver on their promises. Product number 1, Tough Enough Solar Lights. Let's kick things off with the Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. Priced at $25.99, these lights caught my eye with their impressive brightness of 2,500 lumens and a whopping 210 LED beads. If you want reliable light for your yard without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The remote control and 3 lighting modes allow you to customize your lighting based on your needs. You can choose from a strong light sensor mode, a dim light sensor mode, or a constant strong light mode. This flexibility is perfect if you want to illuminate your driveway or keep your property secure at night. Plus, with a 270-degree detection angle and a 26-foot sensing distance, you'll cover a wide area, making it great for larger spaces. Now, some people complained about the battery not lasting enough during cloudy days. Here's the thing though, while it may require a bit more sun to recharge fully, the performance really shines when installed correctly at the right height and angle. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, bright security light for your home. Skip this one if you're looking for something that charges super fast in low light conditions. For the price, you're getting solid value for a powerful light. Now, if the remote feature of the Tough Enough lights doesn't grab you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for straightforward use without the need for a remote. Product number 2, Defino Solar Lights. Next up is the Defino 2500 LM Solar Lights, priced at $18.99. These lights also boast 2,500 lumens, but with a twist. They feature a simple one-button control that eliminates the hassle of a remote. If you want straightforward, effective lighting, this is definitely worth a look. Here's the kicker. The Defino lights come with 3 lighting modes that you can easily cycle through just by pressing a button. This includes a motion-activated mode that turns on to full brightness when it detects movement and a dim mode that saves energy throughout the night. The 270-degree wide-angle coverage and 40-foot motion detection range means you won't miss anything happening around your property. Trust me, you'll appreciate the security these lights provide. However, some users mention that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not handy. But honestly, if you can handle a screwdriver and follow simple instructions, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss security solution that gets the job done without extra gadgets. Skip this one if you're looking for fancy remote controls or smart features. It's a solid value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're after something that's a bit more versatile in installation, the next product might just suit your needs even better. Product number 3, NYMPHY Solar Lights. Now, let's talk about the NYMPHY Solar Lights, which come in a pack of 4 for $31.99. What caught my attention was their unique dual functionality as both landscape and wall lights. If you need versatility in your outdoor lighting, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters. With 56 LED lights, these fixtures can provide a cool white light that can stay illuminated for up to 20 hours based on sunlight exposure. They feature an IP68 waterproof rating, meaning they can withstand harsh weather, perfect for year-round use. Plus, they can be installed easily in the ground or mounted to a wall, allowing you to light up your garden or patio in whichever way suits you best. On the downside, the brightness of 400 lumens may not be quite enough for larger areas if you're looking for a floodlight effect. But the reality is, this is a great option for accent lighting or smaller spaces where you want a softer glow. This is perfect for you if you want something that blends well with your landscaping while providing light. Skip this one if you need super bright security lighting across a large area. For the price, it offers excellent value for multiple lighting options. Now, if you want something that's straightforward and packs a punch and brightness, let's check out the next contender. Product number 4, AETEC Solar Lights. Next is the AETEC Solar Motion Sensor Lights, available for $18.99. What I really liked about these is the flexibility of having 3 different lighting modes. If you want customization based on your needs, this is a solid choice. With 120 LEDs and 800 lumens, These lights provide a decent amount of brightness for pathways and entrances. The PR sensor detects motion up to 26 feet away, making it a reliable option for security. The installation is simple. Just drill a hole and screw it in, making it user-friendly even for those who aren't too handy. That's a huge plus in my book. Some users did mention that the lights could be too bright for some areas, which might be an issue if you're looking for something subtle. But let's be real. If you want visibility for security, that's kind of the point. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install, reliable motion sensor light. Skip this one if you're after something with adjustable brightness levels. Overall, it's a good value for the brightness it delivers. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle extreme weather while maintaining performance, wait until you hear about the next product. Product number 5, HimCity Solar Lights. Finally, we have the HimCity Solar Lights, priced at $19.99. What's impressive here is the incredible brightness of 960 lumens along with a high-performance solar panel. If you need bright outdoor lighting that lasts, this is the one to check out. The HimCity lights are built with a motion sensor that works in multiple modes, including a dim light mode that saves energy when there's no movement. The high temperature resistance and IP65 waterproof rating ensure that it can withstand tough weather, which is essential if you live in an area with extreme conditions. Plus, it's super easy to mount, so you can have it up and running in no time. However, some users have reported issues with the motion sensor being overly sensitive, causing the lights to activate too often. But considering the advantages of having a bright, reliable light for security, I think that's a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want dependable, long-lasting outdoor lighting. Skip this one if you're looking for lights that don't activate easily. For what you get, the performance is definitely worth the price. To wrap it up, we explored the Tough Enough lights for their brightness and versatility, the Defino lights for straightforward use, the NYMPHY lights for dual functionality, the Aatech lights for motion detection, and the HimCity lights for their impressive power. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, allowing you to find the right fit for your outdoor lighting needs. Choose wisely and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with bright, reliable solar lighting.